different categories, it is essential to reflect on the growing potential of tourism across South Asia. The global tourism landscape is evolving rapidly, and South Asia is perfectly positioned to capture new opportunities. Our region is a rich mosaic of cultures and landscapes, and the variety of our greatest asset. And this is our greatest asset. Whether it's adventure tourism, ecotourism, wellness travel, or cultural exploration, South Asia offers a rich variety of experiences that can cater to travelers from all corners of the globe. The key to unlocking this potential lies in our close collaborations. The tourism industry, much like broader global economy, thrives on partnerships. Governments, private sectors, tour operators, hoteliers, airlines, and local communities all have a special and responsible role to play now. Collaboration across borders between stakeholders will help us address the challenges posed by infrastructure, policy frameworks, environmental sustainability, and innovation, which is much needed. At a time when the global travel and hospitality sector is witnessing profound changes, the need of resilience and adaptability is greater than ever now. We can elevate South Asia as a global tourism hub by working together, sharing our best practices, pooling our resources, and co-creating experiences that reflect our shared heritage. We must remember that tourism is not merely about attracting visitors. It's about creating sustainable livelihoods, empowering communities, and showcasing the soul of our nations. A destination becomes sustainable when we carry it together and share the benefit together. The South Asian Travel Awards has played a pivotal role in fostering this sense of collaboration. Since 2016, SATA has honored and celebrated excellence, motivating the industry to continuously raise the bar. Endorsed by over 18 leading tourism boards and receiving more than 400 nominations from across the South Asia, this event stands as a powerful reminder of the value of acknowledging achievement and excellence when we come together. SATA is more than just an award ceremony. It is a platform for acknowledging dedication, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. To the award this afternoon, and to all the recipients and potential awardees that we are going to award very soon, you represent the best of the best. Your commitment to setting new standards in hospitality, travel, and tourism deserves to be applauded by all of us. Through your innovation and resilience, you have propelled the South Asian tourism industry, showcasing its brilliance on the global stage. With the outbound number of nearly 25 million from India, nearly 1.4 million from Bangladesh, 1.3 from Nepal, and around 1.4 million from Sri Lanka, and few hundred thousand from other countries in South Asia, our total outbound number is approximately 30 million plus. And the inbound that we are receiving is just a half, 14.5 million. And I believe there is a huge market to explore, more to connect, and tap the benefit that lies, the vast potential lies in front of us. And I believe this kind of event is going to add a significant value on it. Before I conclude, I would like to express my deepest appreciation to the organizers of SATA and all the supporters who are together with this event for your unwavering dedication in bringing together such a prestigious event in Nepal. The grandeur of this celebration, with captivating performances inspired by Nepal's rich cultural heritage, it is a reflection of the vibrant tourism ecosystem that thrives in our region. Let us seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Let us collaborate more closely, innovate more boldly, and work together to promote South Asia as a top destination for travelers worldwide. And to the delegates who are here from different countries, I would like to request just not limit your time inside the hotel rooms or the restaurants, of the hotels. Go and explore the beauty of Nepal, connect more with local people, because I believe when you connect more with the locals, you will like Nepal more. And we are going through so many changes. At last, I would like to request, let's be ready to adapt the change, to adopt the change, and be ready for to accelerate the growth. Thank you very much, and wish you a memorable stay in Nepal. Thank you.